I'm trying, Diddy. How come you let him out in the first place?
I didn't mean to. I just wanted to pet him.
Got him!
Buzz! Delete! Look what I have! Buzz? Delete? Where are you, you two dunce buckets?
Hi, boss.
Welcome home.
Would you two mind telling me what you're doing with my Hamborg?
Nothing, boss. Everything's fine.
Yeah, he got out of his cage and we caught him.
Good. Now that I have the NIC, I simply type in my instructions, the NIC sends them to the Transformatron, the Hamborg pumps in the power, and the subject is transformed into whatever I choose.
Sounds great, boss. Where's the subject?
Right there.
Not again! Take Dee this time.
No, he used me last time.
Did not.
Did too.
Zip it, you tinwits. I just want to make sure everything is still working. Cheese, please. Thank you.